In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a recipe in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to find the right document, and the best way to get a clean, professional printout every time. First, let's get to the right place inside QuickBooks Online. From the left-hand navigation, click Sales. This is your hub for everything related to money coming in. Once you're there, choose All Sales. Think of All Sales as your master list of transactions. Estimates, invoices, payments, and sales receipts all live here. Starting here ensures you're not hunting through multiple pages, and it sets you up to quickly filter down to exactly what you need. Next, let's zero in on the receipt you want. At the top of the All Sales list, use the filter and select Sales Receipts. This tells QuickBooks to show only completed sales where payment was received at the time of sale. Unlike invoices, which are requests for payment, filtering to sales receipts keeps the list clean and avoids confusion with other transaction types. Once the list refreshes, scan for the receipt you need. You can sort by date or amount to make it faster. When you see the correct entry, click it to open the detailed view. Take a quick moment to confirm the customer, date, and totals. Printing is simplest when you verify the details first. Now you're ready to print. In the Open Sales Receipt, look for the Print or Preview option. Click that to bring up a formatted preview of exactly what will appear on paper. From there, choose Print to open your browser's print dialog. Select your printer, check the number of copies, and click to finalize. If you prefer or need to keep a copy on your computer, choose the option to download as a PDF first, then print the PDF. This is especially helpful if you're archiving receipts or sending them to someone who needs a digital copy. If the print dialog doesn't appear, make sure your browser allows pop-ups for QuickBooks Online. For alignment issues, check that your browser zoom is set to 100% and that scaling in the print dialog is at default. If your receipt looks cut off, try switching between portrait and landscape in the print settings. That's it. You've navigated to sales, filtered to sales receipts, opened the one you need, and printed it or saved it as a PDF. Pause and replay any section as needed, and you'll have a smooth workflow every time you print a receipt in QuickBooks Online.